Guys, it's a Chookman here once again. Here's a 1976 speedboat. Now, these speedboats used to tow people on the Murray River back in the 70s, and these were the speedboats that we loved back then, and I still love them today. They're a classy boat. There's not too many of them left. This one's a fiberglass, so you'd have to be very careful on the Murray River. If you hit a log with one of these speedboats, it's finished. You'd sink it straight away, being fiberglass. That's the only problem you got with these boats. If you hit one of the logs on Murray River, you're gone. It's good night, Irene. But you just got to be extra careful, I suppose, when you're skiing. You couldn't have any mistakes. You know, this guy's got 8,000 on this for sale. Imagine if you took it to the Murray River and hit a log and then sunk it. There goes 8 grand down the gurgler. That's why you've got to be very careful when you're driving these speedboats. Just use common sense. They're good fun, but they can be dangerous in the same token as well. Just remember, if you're in these boats, take care, because you don't get the second chance in them. If I ever get the chance, I'll buy one of these boats, but I just got a price in mind, and if I happen to get it at the right price, I'll buy it.